In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Human Touch Gravis air pump. The first thing we're going to do is tip the chair forward onto its headrest, which will make it easier to work on the air pump. Next, we need to open the backrest zipper to get those upholstered panels out of our way. Next, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to pry the locking tabs on either side of that hose connection free so that we can remove the hose bank from the pump. Okay, next we'll open those hook and loop fasteners that hold the pump in place, which will give us better access to the connector that comes from the main control module. So disconnect that connector. Next, we need to open the canvas flap just above the air pump. You can see that the air pump is suspended by two straps. You need to lift them up and over the tab that holds them in place and stops those straps from sliding sideways. And finally, there's a zipper on the bottom edge of the pump that we need to open. And once we open that zipper, we can remove the pump from the chair. Okay? To install the new pump then, place the pump into position, and we'll start by reattaching that zipper, the canvas zipper at the bottom edge. Okay, next we can pull the pump upward and reinstall those straps onto the frame, making sure they're all the way in past the edge of that tab that holds them in place. All right, next we can connect the connector from the main control module to the pump. We want to do that before we secure the pump using the hook and loop fasteners. Okay, once that connector is in place, then we can secure the pump using the hook and loop fasteners. Get that nice and snug. And then we can install that air hose bank. Just line up the hoses and push it in, making sure that it goes all the way in so the locking tabs are secure. As you heard, it snaps into place, so you can tell it's securely connected. Yeah, you want to make sure those hook and loop fasteners are nice and tight. Finally, we can close that canvas pocket up above the pump. And finally close the upholstered flap on the back of the pad set. And we can return the chair to the upright position, and we're done.